For. For.
Having a particular purpose.
There's a sign there saying, boats for hire. Which vitamins should you take for skin problems?
In order to get or achieve something.
I hate waiting for public transport. I had to run for the bus. Did you send off for details of the competition?
In exchange for something, especially an amount of money.
How much did you pay for your glasses? She sold the house for quite a lot of money. They've said they'll repair my car for £300.
On the occasion of.
What did you buy him for Christmas? We're having a party for Jim's 60th birthday.
At a particular time.
I've booked a table at the restaurant for 9 o'clock. We can give you an appointment for 10:15.
Because of or as a result of something.
He got fined for traveling without a ticket. The things you do for love. Scotland is famous for its beautiful countryside.
Showing meaning.
What's the Czech word for book? What does JL stand for? José Luis.
Towards or in the direction of.
They looked as if they were heading for the train station. Just follow signs for the town center. This time tomorrow we'll be setting off for the States.
Available to buy.
Is this painting for sale? Our neighbors put their house up for sale last week. Underground. Underground.
The system of trains that is built under London.
The London Underground. Take the Underground to Green Park.
Grape. Grape.
Grape. Grape.
A small round purple or pale green fruit that you can eat or make into wine.
A bunch of grapes.
Blackboard. Blackboard.
A large board with a dark surface that a teacher writes on with chalk.
She wrote her name on the blackboard. Perfume. Perfume.
A liquid with a pleasant smell, usually made from oils taken from flowers or spices, which is often used on the skin.
What perfume are you wearing? She adores French perfume.
Grandfather. Grandfather.
Grandfather. Grandfather.
Grandfather. Grandfather.
The father of a person's mother or father.
My grandfather died before I was born.
Best. Best.
Best. Best.
Something that you write at the end of a letter.
With best wishes, Anna.
Used to say that you hope someone will be happy, healthy, successful, etc., often when saying goodbye.
All the best, then. It was nice to meet you. Please wish him all the best for his new job. Peace. Peace.
A part that has come from something bigger.
A piece of cake. She cut the tart into 6 pieces. The bowl fell on the floor and smashed to pieces.
A single object of a particular type.
A piece of fruit. A piece of equipment or furniture. He handed me a piece of paper.
Pool. Pool.
Pool. Pool.
An area of water that has been made for people to swim in.
The hotel has 2 outdoor pools.
Pub. Pub.
A place where you can get drinks such as beer and usually food.
Do you want to go to the pub after work? Our local pub. A pub lunch.
Fan. Fan.
Fan. Fan.
Someone who admires and supports a person, sport, sports team, etc.
More than 15,000 Liverpool fans attended Saturday's game. He's a big fan of country music. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Skateboard. Skateboarding.
The activity of moving using a skateboard.
We're going skateboarding at the park later.
Playground. Playground.
An area designed for children to play in outside, especially at a school.
We always play football in the playground.
Dish. Dish.
A curved container for eating and serving food from.
An oven-proof dish.
Food prepared in a particular way as part of a meal.
A chicken or vegetarian dish.
Dirty plates, bowls, and other objects that have been used for cooking or eating food.
Who's going to wash the dishes? Indoor. Indoor. Indoor, indoors.
Happening, used, or situated inside a building.
Indoor sports or activities. An indoor swimming pool.